You know, the one from Poughkeepsie, even though she's a 2-hour train ride away, is really pretty, really smart, and a lot of fun. But this other girl, well, she lives right uptown. You know, she's just as pretty.
Oh, well, please, I welcome criticism.
The musician right outside the restaurant, it's kind of a mood killer.
What musician?
And there's a country called Argentina. Oh, God, you're the best!
It's like Night of the Living Dead Christmas tree. What do we do?
I don't know. They both want to live in a house of cheese. I don't know how you fight that.
Okay. I can do this. I can tell how I feel.
In English vocabulary we will learn the word of. It means, used to indicate distance or direction from, separation, deprivation, etc., within a mile of the church, south of Omaha, to be robbed of one's money. Also means, used to indicate derivation, origin, or source, a man of good family, the plays of Shakespeare, a piece of cake. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to oof, of, unstressed of or, especially before consonants, Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how of is used in real life.
Hey, and it's not just chicks, you know, it's all kinds of other animals.
That's horrible.
I mean, your dad tells me you get a couple of days off school, and you,
Well, I'm not proud of it, but, you know...
All right, why don't you go up on stage? I've got a picture of you doing the speech. Okay.
Thanks, Mom.
Of course.
Of being an official Bing. You're a few steps ahead of us.
Yeah, big zero-gravity moon steps.
Okay, I have looked through a bunch of career guides.
I think we solved the mystery of the heart attack. And they stop at a pub for a couple of drinks.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.